Hi everyone. I have played a lot of online games in my life, and I enjoyed quite some of them. And I have always had an idea to build a game myself. I've been a software developer for almost 15 years now, and I have been doing all parts of development, starting from the development itself, both backend and front end, including mobile devices, etc., and finishing with automating infrastructure provisioning in cloud services, and so on. As I said, I always wanted to build a game, but never actually tried until recently. Today, I start streaming a set of videos about building a MMORPG game. The game client will be built with Unity. There are a bunch of tutorials with building RPG games with Unity on Coursera or Udemy. There are some of them that actually explain how to build an online game, but those online games, they're quite simple. They have a room principle where a player creates a room and others can join. This way, it will only be around several people online, not more than that. I haven't actually seen a great tutorial about how to build an RPG game. I mean online RPG game. This is not an easy stuff to build. Probably, if I dig further, I would find some tutorials how to use some of the networking frameworks traditionally used in the games. But I want to go a bit further and try to make a new architecture for gaming using serverless computing. There are a lot of challenges with this, as the game clients require stable static connection to the server, and serverless doesn't simply have anything static. Also, all traditional networking frameworks like Photon, Unity, Multiplayer, Mirror, etc. require a game server to work. So, we'll try to make our own solution to handle serverless gaming. To make it clear, these videos are not a tutorial or educational series how to use Unity or how to make a game step by step. It's rather an online diary about the progress of a game development. I won't be showing each and every detail of development, but instead will share and cover the most challenging parts and how I solve them, if I solve them at all. Each video will cover the next step of the game development with some explanations about what's been done and how. Unlike all courses on Udemy or Coursera, I don't have a complete set of videos. All the videos will be created as the progress goes. Setting some expectations right, there is a huge chance that this game will never get to the release state. I'm sure in the later videos I will be breaking what's been built in the early videos, as those approaches will simply not work, or maybe not work as expected. The aim is to release a video at least weekly, but it might be longer if I'm stuck with some parts. At this stage, I only have a set of pre-downloaded assets and a clean scene in Unity that you can see now on the screen. If you ask why Unity, the choice was simply done because C# is easier than C++ that's used in the other frameworks like Unreal Engine and etc. There are several milestones that I have thought of splitting the process into. The first one will be to create a world map for a single player. This will be an empty world of an average size with players being able to use mouse to navigate around the world. As it's eventually supposed to be an online game, the very next milestone will be to make this world online. This will be the biggest and the most difficult part of the process. If we don't pass this milestone, I guess the whole process will be done and the game will never happen. If we pass this, the next ones will be the player inventory, ammunition, monsters, player statistics like strength, vitality, etc. Then we'll make a process of registering your character and start saving the game progress. So it will be possible to continue where you left off last time. After that, we'll start introducing player skills to be able to do peaceful activities like farming, mining, whatever else. When we pass the first milestone, I plan to release the game with the current ongoing progress on the web, so all of you can see and try it yourself. All subsequent progress will also be released as the milestones are ready. If you are interested in witnessing the progress of this whole exercise and keen on watching how this game evolves over time, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss the next video. See you then.